Right, so today I'm going to show you how you can create a free backlink from a domain with a DR89. Now the backlink looks like this. As you see here, you can add a photo, can add a description for relevancy, and the link is like this one you see here, and it is a do follow link. If we do inspect right here, as you can see, oh, not this one, but this thing right here, it is a do follow link, as we see here. So it has a no opener, no refer, but it doesn't have a no follow tag. So it is a do follow link, right? And we want to build as many do follow links as we can. So here's how to build it. First things first, you go to creately.com, sorry, that's the URL. I'll leave it down below in the description, but it's this one right here, okay? And you're gonna wanna sign up, create an account. Now, I won't show you how to create an account because it's quite straightforward. Just make sure to verify your email and make sure that the info you submit to your account looks somewhat real. Otherwise, the profile is just gonna get banned, right? This is the account I just created, and as you can see here, there's also a link here to my site. And again, of course, it is do follow. So how do you get the link here? Simply put, once your account is verified, just click here, go to settings, scroll down until you find profile, and there you go. Just place in here your link down below in the website URL, right? You can also add Facebook and LinkedIn. I do suggest you add both, and I of course do suggest also you add a photo and add your name, middle name, add as much information as you can, because otherwise they'll know this is a fake profile just for a backlink sake, and they'll remove you, right? So if you want this backlink to stay for years on end, actually this one was created like, the one I showed you before was created like 2 years ago, and it's still up because it looks like a real profile. So make sure to make this look real. And again, the backlink looks like this. Let me just go my profile back again. It is a link right here, and it is in fact do follow link. If we inspect it again, it is a do follow link. As you see here, it is a do follow link. Okay, so that's it. That's how you create it. Now, before I go, if you do want access to all my SEO courses, just go to journalistai.live/replay. There's a video here going over how you can redeem the courses, and you get access to all of these SEO courses, plus all one-on-one consulting call with me, access to my rank and rent plugin, and if you use the code LIVE, you get $70 off. You also get 1 year full access to Journalist AI, which is this software right here that allows you to produce articles for your SEO blog, just like the ones that I'm going to show you in a second here. These are all done with AI, right? What you see here is all done with AI, from the image up top right here, what we call the featured image, the table of contents, all the content written here, all the in-article images. There's internal links, there's external links, there's even videos that are relevant to what the content is about. This is all done with AI. And again, if you go here to journalistai.live/replay, you get access to a full year access to this software, plus all my SEO courses and a bunch more cool stuff. So yeah, that's it. That's the video. That's how you build a backlink, and also that's how you get access to all my courses and this really cool tool. So yeah, that's it. I'll catch you on the next one. Cheers.